Hey, casual crypto investor family. It is the casual crypto investor, and I'm back with another video. We have a Bitcoin ETF approval. Well, hold on, pump your brakes. No, not yet, right? So, funny story. I was looking at some content on Twitter, yada, yada, yada. And I was seeing like a lot of people were saying that Bitcoin ETF approval, Bitcoin ETF approved. And all of a sudden, then I just see an influx, Twitter account SEC hacked, all these like things popping up on Twitter. So if you're not on Twitter, man, feel free to hit me up. Follow me at Casual Crypto Investor, and yeah, you can take fun of all the crazy stuff that's happening on Twitter if you're not on there already. But so yeah, I was seeing that. Then I go to check the price of what Bitcoin is, and currently, right now, Bitcoin is at $45,000 per Bitcoin, right? But then I saw this huge spike, and I'm like, "What the heck? Was it approved? Was it not? What's going on?" This thing popped up to over $47,000, right? Just on uh, the hopium of the Bitcoin ETF approval. But we have some news in regarding where it's at, what's going on, and we'll get into that in a second. So, as I mentioned, feel free to follow me on Twitter at Casual Crypto Investor. Great way for you to stay in contact with me, and also too as well. Definitely make sure you hit that notification bell. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. I try to make it as fun as possible with in regards to bringing you this crypto content, right? So let's get into it, right? So it says Gary Gensler reports SEC X account has been compromised, right? So Gary Gensler there was a tweet from Gary Gensler. Let me say it that way. There was a tweet from Gary Gensler saying that the Bitcoin ETF has been approved. Now we have clarity, yada, yada, yada. But hold on, pump your brakes, guys and gals. We have some more news in regards to that, right? His account was compromised, right? So let's get into it, right? And figure out what happened, right? So Gensler's post came 15 minutes after the SEC X account falsely reported that spot Bitcoin ETF was approved, right? The United States Securities and Exchange Commission has confirmed it has not yet approved the listing and trading of spot Bitcoin Bitcoin exchange traded products, and that a previous post suggesting so was false, right? On January 19, which is today, multiple news outlets published an inaccurate story after the official X, formerly Twitter account of the SEC posted a tweet claiming that the regulator had approved the spot Bitcoin exchange traded funds for the first time. Approximately 15 minutes later, SEC Chair Gary Gensler said the commission had not approved the listing and trading of the spot Bitcoin exchange traded products. Various news outlets, including Cointelegraph, Blockworks, and Reuters, had initially reported on the story from the SEC before Gensler's statement, right? So as you can see right here, the SEC Twitter account was compromised and an unauthorized tweet was posted. The SEC has not approved the first listing. Yeah, approve the listing, and trading of spot Bitcoin exchange traded products, right? Moving on, the initial unauthorized post claimed that the commission had granted approval for Bitcoin ETF to be listed on U.S. exchanges, showing a photo and faked quote from the chair, right? The SEC also pulled the initial tweet, though it had already racked up millions of views at that point, right? So the SEC government X account was compromised and an unauthorized post was posted. The SEC has not approved the listing and trading of spot Bitcoin exchange traded products, as you can see right here as they posted, right? So yeah, you could also see the statement from Gary Gensler. That was not from him, but someone posted this, right? So as you can see, as I was mentioning to you guys earlier in the video, I said I saw the statement, and like he said today, the SEC or he or she or whoever took over the account or compromised the accounts made this statement saying today the SEC grants approval for Bitcoin ETFs for listings on all registered national securities and exchanges. The approval Bitcoin ETFs will be subject to ongoing surveillance and compliance measures to ensure continued investor protection. And right here, the fake statement says today's approval enhances market transparency and provides investors with efficient access to digital asset investments within a regulated framework, right? Moving on, though the social media post was false, the SEC may still approve a spot Bitcoin ETF. Neither Gensler nor the SEC tweet stated that the commission had plans to approve or deny the investment vehicle. A decision expected on the spot Bitcoin ETF from ARK Investment and 21 shares by January 10th, which is basically tomorrow. When I'll be on it as much as possible. Make sure you do follow me on X, because sometimes it's easier for me to tweet than it is for me to make the videos. So that's why I kind of encourage you guys and gals to follow me on Twitter. But he says, but the article says January 10th, which is some experts believe could lead to simultaneous approvals for the asset managers. Right? You can tell I'm excited because man, it's just crazy news right now, and I'm so pumped for crypto right now, guys. This is honestly a perfect storm. All right, and I was even thinking today, we have a huge opportunity here. And again, this is not investment advice. You got to do what's best for you, right? But we have a situation where we have potential Bitcoin ETF happening. We have the Bitcoin halving coming in April. We have the XRP versus SEC lawsuit coming into play. We also, with Ripple, have an IPO, which would, I believe, and correct me if I'm wrong, but this is the first crypto that will actually be associated with the stock market, meaning Ripple, the company, which is obviously a technology company, but they do use XRP, right? So they are in the crypto space. But not only do they have a crypto currency, but they'll also have a stock. The company will actually have a stock which you can buy, right? So this is just unreal. So I think for the potential, I think guys, we're just so early in crypto right now, and we just have a lot to be thankful for. And I'm super thankful for being early into this market, because I truly do think we have a great opportunity for financial freedom, for financial wealth, and I'm excited. So yeah, that's my little soapbox moment. But moving on, before Gary Gensler's statement claiming the SEC X account was compromised, crypto users and the market reacted accordingly. The price of Bitcoin surged roughly 2.5% from 46 to 47, almost 48,000. That's crazy. Before dropping roughly 7% to 44,000, right? At the time of the publication, the Bitcoin price was under 46, according to the data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro. Someone on social media suggested the information contained in the reacted SEC tweet was accurate but released prematurely. The commission's X account showed it liked 2 replies to the false tweet from random users, unusually activity from the SEC. So I guess right here, James Sefrat, Gary is going to want someone's head to roll after this. Honestly, I would too if I were him. Just better hope it isn't taken out of these potential ETF issuers. So I don't know, guys and gals. I don't know. We'll see what happens. I'm excited for tomorrow. I probably won't be able to sleep tonight. It's almost kind of like Christmas. But let me know in the comments what you think. Do you think we'll get an ETF tomorrow? Leave a comment down below. And if you like this type of content, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can stay updated when I drop a new video. Take care. Bye-bye.